Hey YouTube, Salvador Briggman here. Welcome back to the Crowdfunding Demystified YouTube channel. And my goal here is to bring you quality education when it comes to raising money on Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and using crowdfunding to supercharge your business. I want to tell you really quickly about an announcement that I have, which is on June 13th, 2019 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'm going to be at this event where we're going to actually get into some of the really important lessons when it comes to starting a business. And this is specifically for female entrepreneurs, Latinas, but also everyone else is welcome to join. This will be at Hudson County Culinary Conference Center in New Jersey. This will be in Jersey City. So if you're interested in really leveling up your business, there are tons of killer, amazing speakers here. Individuals who are incredibly successful, and they're going to share with you a lot of different things, like win the marketing battle, how to get your foot in the door with major buyers, the do's and don'ts when it comes to healthy food trends, studying the wellness industry, and also advice and tips for, of course, breaking through the funding barrier. This is my classroom, if you will. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to smash your goal with crowdfunding. How do you prepare for a good crowdfunding campaign? How do you be successful? Talk about all of that in this workshop from 10:45 to 11:45. I also probably have an exclusive offer there for you. There are also strategies when it comes to the technology of your business, branding, so many incredible things, and also really great opportunity to network with some of the successful entrepreneurs there, myself, and also other individuals and influencers who I think can help with your business. And it can help connect you to more people to continue to grow your business. And there's also some other things here when it comes to education and advice. So I'm going to link this up down below. If you are interested, I would love it if you could attend. And also, if you see me, don't be shy. You're welcome to say hi. I'd love to talk with you, maybe give you a tip or two if you have any questions. And if you have any things for me in terms of crowdfunding, I'm happy to speak with you for a little bit. There also, you can see here some of the other panel speakers that will be at this event, as well as some of the testimonials there of other people who have attended. This is going to be tons of killer information, chock full of lots of great tips. And also you can see me here as being one of the workshop presenters with that event. I think I'm the only guy here. There's another two guys here on the panel. So what I want to kind of do with this is, number one, I want to share with you step by step how to accomplish this, how to launch a successful campaign. I want to go way more in depth than I do with my YouTube videos. But number two, I also want to introduce you to a little bit of the tricks of the trade, if you will, that can help you get more funding, more backers, and really supercharge this project. And I really don't say that lightly. Like, these are some of the things that if you do it right, if you execute on the tactics and the strategies I'm going to be sharing, you can have a remarkably successful crowdfunding campaign in a way that you've seen on my podcast, way you've seen on some of the people that I've helped over the years. And I think this is a great opportunity and a great way to also connect with other entrepreneurs in this area. So if you are June 13th, if you're in the New York City or the Jersey City area, it's going to be at the Hudson County Culinary Conference Center, Jersey City, New Jersey. Make sure you're there. Also say hi to me so we can talk a little bit about your project. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.